Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage, and I just wanted to share with you guys a resource. My dad actually heard about this on a YouTube channel or read it in a magazine or somewhere, and it's quite an impressive resource of vehicle repair information. So I'm just gonna kind of scan through here. You guys can use this at your own discretion. It is totally free, and it's very, very valuable. So I want to make sure that you guys have access to it. So, called Operation Charm. There's your website right there. Charm.li. Put that right into your Google search, and it'll come up. You can click on it. Operation Charm. The collection of high-quality auto repair manuals spans almost all makes and models from 82 through 2013. Our data will be available free of charge permanently. You are entitled to the right to repair, understand, and upgrade what's yours without paying extra for a workshop manual. I mean, right there says it all. And you can read through all this. You can download stuff. So, we'll go into here, and I'm just going to kind of run you guys through. I mean, you can see there's about every make and manufacturer a guy could want. So, I'm going to go back up here. Been working on my kid's 96 Chevy S10. As you've seen lately, there's a video on that. I mean, this is just 96. So, repair and diagnostics, parts and labor, and then you can download the whole thing to use like when you're working on the vehicle. You can access from a cell phone, a laptop, a tablet. I have a little beater laptop I use like right at the vehicle that I've been using. So we'll click on repair and diagnosis. So I mean, you can see all the stuff that's available. Let's see here. It's got TSBs, all the trouble codes. We'll go, I mean, the diagrams. This is all factory service manual stuff. Testing and inspection. P-code charts. PU0107. This is, this breaks it down. And here's the circuit. I mean, this is, here's the diagnostic flow chart. And so basically, scroll all the way up here. Start at step 1, yes or no. It gives you a value like a quarter volt. I'll scroll over here. Yes, if you yes, go to step 2, so on and so forth. But I mean, this is valuable information, and it's on every make and model from 82 to 2013. Actually, with this finally diagnosed what's wrong with my son's S10, I will be doing a video on that. But if you're, this isn't like hot rodder type stuff. This is repair on your own vehicles, your regular daily driver type stuff. If you have a shop, you can get into customer stuff. I mean, it's endless. So let's just I want to see. Okay, I got to pull an engine on a 2009. Actually, that was GMC. I'm going to be doing a cam swap and reseal on a 2009, I got to go back to home, okay, 2009 GMC, or yeah, 2009, and I'm just curious, like, we'll go here, let's see, it is a Sierra 1500 four-wheel drive with a 5.3. Parts and labor. Let's see, labor, engine, maintenance. Where's the engine at? Powertrain, management. I'm still learning to use this, so, bear with me. Oh, engine right here. Engine. See if it says specifically for removal. Probably does. Labor times. Complete assembly with transfer of parts. Transfer all fuel and electrical. Don't include transfer of optional equipment. 15.2 hours. Parts information. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Timing chain. Let's see what that shows. Parts information, labor times. Gives you a part number and a factory price. I don't know. I mean, you have to take that info from there, but, replace timing chain, 9 hours. To R&R crankshaft gear, add 0.2. This is on and on and on and on, and this is all factory manuals. Let's go to Mazda. Let's go something within the last 30 years. And I'll just click on anything here. Repair and diagnosis. Starting. Let's go there. Let's go. Starting system. Starter motor. Testing and inspection. Removal, installation, disassembly, assembly. Testing and inspection. Here you go. Walks you through everything on that particular vehicle. So, anyway, just want to show you guys this again. It's charm.li. Just put that in. You'll see it. It's Operation Charm. Right there. Operation Charm. Car repair manuals for everyone. I don't know who puts this out, but feel free to use it. It was free to me. I'll pass on the information. So that's enough on this for now. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below, and we'll talk about it in the future. Anyway, guys, enough out of me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the like, share, subscribes, all the above. That's all free. Doesn't cost you a penny. Helps out the channel. I'm out of here, and stay greasy, my friends.